Okay, let's walk out of the wood shop and down towards the metal shop. I've been kind of welding out here by my big doors. I have an overhead crane, and the metal shop is a little tighter than the wood shop, and that's okay because a lot of these machines have kind of a small envelope that you're working on them. This is a hard-hinge turret lathe. Really handy for small parts, really neat machine. On the other side I have more Vidmar cabinets with some precision drill presses and a tapping head here. Micrometer drawer. Bigger micrometer drawer. Some large drill bits. In here I have a few grinders, drill bit grinder, wire wheel, bench grinder. It's my larger milling machine. It's a Cincinnati. It has a horizontal head that's powered by that knob, and then it has a vertical head, which is really handy. It's Cat 50, so it can just take an incredible amount of material off. It weighs 5,500 pounds. As opposed to my Bridgeport, my light duty mill, which is kind of like a sports car, and it weighs 2,000 pounds, and it's very nimble. I really like having both of them because one is just a hog and one is a sports car, so I can just kind of delicately work on precision stuff with the Bridgeport and remove a ton of material with the other machine, the Cincinnati. Some Monarch 10EE, really cool lathe from 1952. These are just tanks, 3,000 pounds, very small footprint. Dual bandsaw, press brake. My bigger lathe, it's a Cincinnati, also weighs 3,000 pounds. A slip roll and a stomp shear here. And then a workbench covered in junk, little horizontal bandsaw, arbor press. Yeah, so it's tight in here, and I'd love some more room, but it's very functional and a great addition to my wood shop. It really allows me to fix a lot of machines and make a lot of parts, and a lot of my furniture has become metalworking dependent as I have kind of changed my design sense to incorporate mechanical fasteners with it. So I really do use these machines to build my furniture.